We're all too familiar with how stress can impact us, but one statewide research program is working to track how pregnancy stress can impact children before they're born. A team of researchers at Michigan State and the University of Michigan say there's research that suggests prenatal stress can negatively impact social and emotional development in kids.
We're interested in our study on specifically determining whether there are times during the pregnancy that are more vulnerable to stress than other times during the pregnancy. So we're specifically examining the question of timing of stress during pregnancy and how that affects moms and kids.
Well, early intervention is everything. It almost doesn't matter whether it's a physical illness or whether it's a mental health issue. Early intervention, as early as you can get it, is incredibly important.
The study will follow women and their children from the first trimester of pregnancy until the child turns 4 to keep an eye on key developmental benchmarks.
Very interested in those first few years in how children are affected by the stress that happened during pregnancy in terms of their ability to regulate their emotions, and how things like parenting also can play a role in helping kids develop emotion regulation.
For researchers like Lewandowski, identifying stress as an intergenerational link between moms and their kids is the first step to improving prenatal care for women.
I think we don't do enough to give medical care to women. There's a lot of discrimination in the system against women of color, against women who are living in poverty, and those women need much better access to our care systems.
So if you've got a lot of stress in your environment or you're depressed, say, shouldn't blame yourself. What you should do is go and access some help.
Lewandowski and her team are still recruiting women to take part in the study. If you or someone you know would be interested, you can contact the email on your screen.